Trade recap. I had some orders in before which I cancelled. Hourly order block. And I cancelled because price just dumped. I knew price was finna come bearish. I just didn't know where from. And it wasn't from where I fucking wanted. Which has been annoying. But it's all good. No trade today. Loki wasn't really one. I'll show you, but so high time frame, we have this imbalance above. I was not expecting us to get back there at all. Completely not. Because while we hadn't broken bearish truly on NAS, we had on ES on the 4 hour, and I was confident we were bearish, and we are obviously. And through Asian, slow bullish price action. I'm confident we're here. We're gonna grab some topside shit and dump. And this order block here was so sexy. Potentially on Monday, when next week rolls around, it'll be tapped. But so there was that, and I was looking for orders from there. What else? 15-minute fair value gap here. Tap to halfway at this point creates a bit of liquidity. So we're bearish, but from these points during this London, we didn't sweep anything crazy low, which had me good. It gave me good confidence for coming topside and grabbing this order block. But we've just dumped from nothingness. Like, I don't even. Like, I knew New York would start getting hectic because look how dead Asian is from like here, and how dead London is. So I knew New York would be hectic, but I was definitely waiting for it to hit the order block. That's calm. Whatever. Let me put watch there. And then during session we had price jumping around. It did end up sweeping these little equal highs here. It's honestly not a good sweep. Like, not strong liquidity at all. Nothing much of anything much. But on the 5-minute here, you can see it is a sweep, because while we do candle through it, like body through it, here we get the wick up, and you can see we're turning. We get breaker structure at 6:15, and then there is a 1-minute. Here, created at 6:12, respected at 6:31, and then it comes down. So this would be a good short just down to halfway of this, the value gap. I think I was looking too big of a scale, because I was looking for the order block here. Like, potentially that happens sometime next week, but I think it was, or right now we might be creating a 4-hour order block. We are. Holy shit. Whew. Okay. That's a dub. Tomorrow morning I'm going to check that. That's a dub. Shit. Free signal gang. But yeah, I think I was looking too high of a time frame. Because we get this little sweep, we get the breaker structure. Yes, price action isn't amazing and shit, but we do know price will at least come to this higher time frame fair value gap, because it is an hourly fair value gap, just to even tap it to halfway if price then wants to come topside or whatever, you know. But it was basic, and it did sweep this bottom side shit here, but that's not a sweep. It just pushed through and made a lower low on this lower time frame here. That's not a sweep, that just pushed through. And this liquidity, I think, yeah, it was Asian highs, which gives it a bit more validity, but next time I know, I'll be in on that shit. Yep. Alright. That's calm.